how to indent or decrease indent in your email message on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, open up the email app on the home screen or in the app screen. And then open up your email message, or you can compose a new email. Now, to indent the text or decrease the indent, you can select the part of the text that you would like to use indentation. Next, at the top here in the toolbar, you want to swipe across. Now there are two items. You can tap on it to indent or to decrease indent. Just tap on the back. So tap on the back, indent item. And that's it. So here we can indent or decrease indent. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.